What I have realized over the year after watching the videos nowadays I'm getting in my YouTube feed, Instagram feed, Twitter feed, that these so-called tech influencer, they're no longer a techie at the moment. Right now they are influencer. What they try to do, they are trying to make a video about the AI model because that's the hot topic we have for the last 1 year. Any model is getting released, they're so eager and so fast to make a video about it. So if you look at the video which they are releasing nowadays, you will find they talk about the only two topics: the AI feature, the new AI, and the layoffs are happening. This is the only two topics you will find which they are talking at the moment, every single tech influencer. Talking about the technology, but how many of you have seen a meaningful project which they are developing about this using this agentic AI, all of this model? So if they are making the video and you are just listening, watching, they want your eyeball, they want your attention, they want their view. So you have to understand that what will benefit you. That's why I'm making this video, because a lot of you at the moment is really very confused because you are at the early stage of your learning. And right now you're getting this agentic AI and it sounds very fascinating. If you are a non-techie, if you are just starting up and you don't have any exposure that what's happening in the industry. So being in the industry for the last 5 to 7 years, I have seen all type of trends. So that's why I'm telling you that don't try to waste your time too much watching these videos. Like, what you will learn by just understanding this is the problem you will have in this particular AI model. This is what you will have the advantages. The best way to learn about any model, read the documentation. This small video about the benefits and advantages and disadvantages is just a personal opinion. The tool is there and it's up to you as a developer that how efficiently you can utilize it. Right now, the hot topic we have is the Claude bot or a mod bot or open bot, whatever you can call it. It's a really powerful tool. Right now, you will find that for the last 1 week since it's got released, everybody is talking about this mod bot or Claude bot. I don't know what they have called finally. So you have to understand that what exactly happening. Don't ever follow the trend. Okay, it's good to know about this certain tools, certain features, certain models getting released in the industry, and you have to keep yourself updated. It doesn't mean that you should continuously watch a video around this tool. So the best thing you can do to yourself is to read the documentation. It's pretty very simple. Don't try to go for an opinion. And this is what I have noticed, that everybody has their own opinion about the tools, about the services, about the technology. They have their opinion. Nobody is sure about anything. They're just throwing you their opinion. Some of them even not working. So some of the video I have seen, and I have realized one thing, when they talk about this thing, that they even don't know what they're talking about and what exactly happening in the industry. They're just throwing their opinion. There's nothing wrong in that. But if you are an absolute beginner, the best way to learn is to read the documentation. That's the easiest thing you can do. After that, you can build your understanding, build your product. Then you will learn that how it's going to help you. Then you can understand about the security vulnerability, how you can utilize it, how you can create a different ecosystem to utilize this entire AI model. All of these tools are absolutely fine based on the time period. Like when the ChatGPT came into the industry for the very first time back in 22, so that was the biggest innovation I can say in terms of technology. Right now, you will look at this agentic AI and all of these AI models, they're getting just improved. Their context window is getting bigger, their memory is getting bigger. So they are just improving that version. But if you look at the curve, the way it's got up and the way it's got stagnant at the straight line, you will find there is a lot of differences. So every single day, new model is coming with some benchmarks, some improvement, and that's going to be happen with every single technology. And the next topic is very hot at this moment is layoff. Everybody is making videos around layoff, that how companies are laying off their employee, how are you going to suffer, how are you going to protect yourself. There is no job for the developer. There is a lot of job, because these kind of statement, this kind of videos, thumbnails I'm getting in my feed. And you might have got the same kind of thumbnails in your feed as well. So the one thing I want to highlight here pretty clear, that if you really want to understand that why these layoffs are happening, you have to understand the last 5 years of hiring process. During the lockdown period, after the lockdown, there was a massive hiring happening in all of this domain, in all of this company. So if you go back 5 years, 10 years, the hiring was stagnant. Like there is a minimum requirement, they were hiring in that process. But during the lockdown, they hired a lot of employee. Even in my company, they hired like more than 30% of the employee, because the management was very confident about the movement, the way it got online, many of the businesses. So they thought that it's a good time to train a lot of employees. So when the business will start coming, we are ready to deliver that. And that's what happening. Like you see that after lockdown, after 1 year, there was a massive layout in Facebook, Meta, Amazon, or Flipkart, massive layout. And the same thing happening at the moment right now, because these AI models are good enough to do the entry level job. So why the company need you in the entry level job? And the reason why I'm telling you that if you really want to work in the company, then what do you bring on the table? If you think that company is going to train you and then you're going to take the project and start working in the company, that's not going to be happen. You have to be ready from the start, because right now the company is not training. This is what happened 5 years ago, 7 years ago. The company were hiring, then they were giving you 3 to 4 months or 6 months, and some company giving like a year of training. After that, you are getting on the board and start working on the project. But right now, the company wants you to work on the project straight away. The moment you will get on the board, you have to start working on the project. They're not going to give you the training, and that's what most of you are lacking, because you don't have the industry exposure. Most of you are new, interested in the coding, getting into this hype of this AI development and how the industry going to change. Yeah, it's happening with every single industry. It's not only limited to the development, it's going to happen to every single industry. You will find a lot of automation, you will find a lot of robotics, a lot of enhancement will come. Right now, the AI is at its peak. That's what I can see. It's at peak. Now from there, you will find only integration model. So if you understand the core fundamentals of programming, core fundamentals of technology, core fundamentals of architecture design, and that's will help you a lot, because right now we are in the integration phase. We have this agentic AI, we have this AI model. All we have to do is to include in our framework, in our pipeline, the way we want to deliver our service. So that is going to be the new phase. There you need a very good understanding about the fundamentals, about the architecture design, that how you're going to make the call, how you're going to provide that service. So that's the thing you have to understand. Right now, every single business is going to be integrated with this agentic, with this AI model to facilitate the faster workflow. And that's what's happening in our business as well. Like we as a Web3 security order firm, where we build full stack blockchain development project, smart contract exchange pipeline for the entire Web3 payment infrastructure, we can see that what we are utilizing in our base level and how we are designing the entire model on our architecture level and the production level. So for doing the base level, you can go with this agentic AI, this AI models to simply get the architecture ready to make the things work in the ground level to foster our plan, that how we're going to execute and build this particular project. Then we can simply do the coding, follow the model and build our entire model. So that's what will happen. If you are really concerned about this AI model and the kind of video thumbnail you see on YouTube, on Instagram, I feel so it's kind of funny when I heard this statement, and it's kind of very interesting at the same time. So you have to understand that what is actually happening. You will find the tools that we are getting at the moment on the integration level. Behind the scene, they are using the same LLM. There's no problem, because right now we have enough data which we have used to train the model. Now you can utilize it in the existing project. So you can see that every single business, every single service we have on the internet, they are getting plugged with this agentic AI, with this AI model. And that's what you will find. And that's what is going to be happen from here now onward. This is the peak of AI development from my point of view. Many of you are so hyped up about this new models we have at the moment, which is OpenClaw. Like it's the same thing. In that particular model, what they have done, they have given the full control over the system. So you have to understand what is happening here. Don't try to watch too many videos on the same topic. It's not going to benefit you at all. Watching reel will not help you. Someone is telling you on the reel that this is how you're going to scale your database. This is how you can simply get the data from the database. That's not going to help you at all, unless or until you're not going to build a project around it. So many of you are so focused about learning an array, just in a landscape, in a vertical mode. You just try to learn about the array and tips and tricks. Not going to help you at all. Trust me, it's not going to help you at all. You are just wasting your time. When you're going to write your first piece of code for the project, every single thing would be blank. You have no idea, unless or until you're not going to utilize and build the project. When you will build good project, you will automatically understand that how stupid those ideas which they are teaching you in the reel going to be. So try to be smart. Try to do a proper ordering of yourself, that where you're spending your time, what kind of content consuming. That is really very important for you, because the kind of thing you're going to watch, the kind of perception you're going to have. And that perception will shape your future, shape your decisions, shape your learning curve, that perception. So try to keep your brain open, try to understand, be a little critical that what exactly happening, what this particular user is saying, what kind of video he's making nowadays, what is the reason behind it. Just try to do this. Ask this question. When you will do that, then you will come to a proper conclusion that what exactly happening in the industry. The one thing you can be 100% sure that things will change. Way of doing work will change. Right now we have these AI models. Like 5 years ago, 10 years ago, we don't have that. So now this AI model will help us to do the work faster. In that way, we can able to deliver the product very fast. For the last 1.5 years, I'm using this AI. We are building the infrastructure into our organization. We can see the efficiency we can bring down to delivering the product, launching the model, designing the system. It's super fast. It's bring the efficiency. If you are good, definitely you're going to have project. So you have to understand where you are spending your time. Don't try to watch random video. Again, I'm telling you, it's going to simply take you away from what you have to know. Consuming too much unnecessary knowledge is really very dangerous for your brain. Right now, you have to be very critical. Whatever you are doing, if you're focusing on a smart contract development, JavaScript, focus on that. Give dedicatedly 1 or 2 months. Start focusing on this AI models. Every single week, something new is coming in the market. Just read about it. Okay, this is the tool you have. You can simply keep that in mind. When it's come to including in your project, you can simply include. That's how you have to plan. Whenever any tool is getting released, it doesn't mean that you should leave all your work, whatever you were doing, and start focusing on this particular tool. Like this tool will come into the picture when you're going to utilize it, and there you're going to learn it. Like having the idea, okay, this is exists, that is only you want at this moment. Don't try to bother about these tools. It will come and go. Some new tool will come, even that going to be a better one. So what kind of videos are you watching? So try to be a little critical. That's one is the most important thing, and it's going to help you a lot in every segment. No matter what you do in your life, it will help you a lot. Don't try to be an audience. Try to be a producer. Try to be a kind of person who can do some kind of contribution in a proper way. Okay, try to understand what I want to say. Don't waste your time. This is a very critical time for you where you can simply foster your learning and just get into the industry as soon as possible. That should be your main idea. If you start not focus, if you not give your focus on your root level, don't understand the programming language, don't learn the programming language, then it will be totally waste of time to start relying on this AI tool, because those who know the programming, they are the one who are going to utilize this AI tool even in better way, like 100x better than you. So try to understand that.